Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on February 6th, 2024. So today we're seeing a cold front clearing the south coast, and behind it is coming this cold Arctic air mass. So looking tonight, we will see rain clearing the south, and it'll be a mainly cloudy night with some clear spells, especially in the north, and towards morning some showers will move in towards the northwest, some wintry, especially towards higher ground. It should start frosty in the morning, with some hazy sunshine, and towards the evening, cloud will build towards the southwest even more, and we will see rain moving in to some areas. Tomorrow night, this rain moves northwards and bumps into the colder air and turns to snow for many areas of the Midlands and North Midlands here into Thursday morning. We do have a warning for snow and ice for Connacht, Cavan, Monaghan, and Donegal. But it is showing snowfall even as far south as parts of North Munster and Leinster. So I think that warning could be, moved a bit further southwards if this comes off. Moving forward, then that snow moves into Northern Ireland and Ulster, and slowly starts to die away. Meanwhile, in the south, it dries up and temperatures rise. Into tomorrow night, some more rain moves into the west and south. Otherwise, it's quite dry and cloudy. Into Friday, it's quite a showery, cloudy day, a bit grim. And here's Saturday. Saturday is a day of sunshine in the south, but the cloudy skies elsewhere with showers and a cyclonic wind. Into Sunday, we see the low moving to our northeast, and down comes a showery wind from northwest. So here are the temperatures. So today, again, cold front coming through. Temperatures are lowering today. And tonight we'll see lowest temperatures dropping down to around freezing in the east and northeast, up to around 3 or 4 degrees in the west and south. Into tomorrow, we will see highest temperatures of around 4 degrees in the northeast, up to 7 degrees in Munster. Tomorrow night's temperatures will fall to frost levels in Ulster. Otherwise, it will be less cold and frost free. But as that snow starts falling in those central regions, temperatures will fall towards freezing towards morning. Now Thursday is a cold day with snow, rain, sleet moving northwards. Behind it, temperatures stay cold, but some mild air will nudge in towards the far south towards the evening. Into Friday morning, lowest temperatures there of 1 to 7 degrees, coldest in the north, miles in the south and southwest. Into Saturday, quite chilly actually, highs of 3 to 7 degrees. Into Sunday, highest temperatures, Saturday. Saturday's highest temperatures there of around, that's Friday. Friday, highest temperatures of 3 to 6 degrees. Then Saturday, highest temperatures there of 4 to 10 degrees, quite mild there in the far southeast. And into Sunday, temperatures lower off again, between about 6 and 7 degrees. Here is the NAO index observed and forecasted. So currently, weekly negative with the NAO. It'll stay that way into mid-February and become possibly even more negative. Here is the GFS 12Z. So GFS 12Z, again, northerly winds coming in tomorrow. Then this low comes up from the south. Thursday 6 a.m. upper temperatures. Anywhere in the yellow, it will only rain. Anywhere north of that could see snow, as long as the temperature is cold enough. Moving on. That low slowly edges northwards in Friday, and that shows us that the mild air will engulf Ireland. And into Sunday and Monday, that low actually moves to our north, and in comes this Atlantic flow into mid-February here, and westerly, southwesterly, wet and windy, and just keeps going really. A deep low to look at that. That's like a washing machine of low pressure to our west. It just doesn't move. We just see more and more lows spiraling around a general area of low pressure. It just stays wet and windy. Here is what a change on yesterday and the day before. So the GFS wobbles, but apparently that was correct. So here's the ECMWF ECM again, tomorrow is colder and drier before into Thursday. That little low comes in, upper temperatures. Again, the south and southwest can only see rain. Elsewhere, it can snow until the zero ice at 8:50 HBA moves northwards. Then that low moves over us, so it'll be less cold with rain showers around. Then that low moves away. Actually, it's cooler with the ECM and drier as well. Those towards mid-February, we do get the westerlies in. Very intense high to our northeaster upper temperatures then. Yeah, cold out towards Scotland, but really we are mild there. The UK Met Office run is like this. UK Met. So again, there's that little low Thursday morning, upper temperatures like that. It's very similar to the other runs. There we go. Then again, that low moves northwards and just mills over us of the weekends. Then next week we see a dry and cooler spell, that little ridge there, frost and fog possible before that moves away, and we waft up. Actually, that's not too. That southerly wind isn't that mild. That if it gets more westerly, it will get milder. Here is the GEM 12Z run. So half a run, yes it is. Wait for the as. The GEM 12Z again. Tomorrow is cooler and drier. Thursday, upper temperatures Thursday morning 6 a.m. Again, south and southwest can't see snow. Get rid of. There we go. New come. Okay, so after that low stays around us of the weekends, and GEM just actually by mid-February builds this ridge over us and extends it to our east, and we pull off an easterly wind, though it isn't a desperately cold easterly. Yeah, there is a puddle of chilly air, but really that's not too cold, but it would be chilly, and that is a real beast of a high. Here is the icon. Just started updating right now, so we do the 12Z. Come on, I know you want to come. So here's the icon run again. Tomorrow, drier and cooler. That little low, unfortunately, will win the battle on Thursday. That's for sure. And you can see how nicely that low will push northwards through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday before moving away. Then next week, that little ridge comes through, and we actually end up by Wednesday, February 14th, dragging up this very mild wind from the southwest. Oh dear. And finally, the arpeggio before I show you some ensembles for upper temperature and snowfall. So again, tomorrow's drier and colder. Thursday, now the arpeggio is probably an outlier in this, but it has the snow line, basically the zero ice dome, the line bordering the green and yellow, is a bit further southwards. So more areas have snowfall risk here, but that's probably an outlier given that the other models are having that line further northwards. And then after that, again, same story. That low brings rain showers on Friday and Saturday. Upper temperatures are chilly but not cold. So we go to the diagrams. Like starting off with Dingle in the far southwest, like virtually nothing. Go a bit further northwards to Limerick. Limerick. Yeah, a few, and also a few over here, but they're not reliable. These ones, though, look quite nice. Galway. Or, Galliv. Actually, a very decent spike there. And actually, in Galway, there is a warning for snow up towards, Sligo now. A few ones there. Now, bear in mind, Sligo will see lighter precip. Derry. Derry, actually pretty, Derry has pretty consistent snow spikes here. So there might still be wintry showers around at the weekend. Go towards Belfast. Am I spelling it? Yeah, Belfast. Pretty nice spike there around Thursday. Again, that's that system. Go towards Cavan. Again, all these northern areas are doing very well because of the snow coming up. That's a nice one. Dundalk. No, that's the UK. But that... Sorry, US even. Dundalk, and with the Irish flag. Dundalk has a pretty nice fall coming up. Go down towards... Where are we now? Longford. Just covering every region in Ireland. Longford's pretty good. Dublin's fine. Not that great, but still some potential. Go down towards Carlow. Pretty good. And down to where I live in Gorey, probably not that great. Not great, but better than Dingle. Let's just say that. And finally, Cork. One spike. One quite big spike, but other than that, not that great. 2 spikes even. Anyway, everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow, and bye for now.